Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market as on the forex market, we see some minor reaction on the bad data, at least not at the bad, but at a bit worse than expected data on the retail sales in the United States. So you can see yesterday market in the beginning of the session has shown a nice plunge down right to the monthly pivot point, but later the day when the United States session has opened and the data has been released, you can see some bounce up. So this bounce up looks really minor in the perspective of the whole picture on the daily chart, and absolutely doesn't change the overall setup. Barely could impact on the overall picture. And here we still use a weekly pattern, the weekly bearish grabber, as the dominant in our analysis. And right now we mostly treat the current situation and think how to trade and where to take the position based on the weekly pattern. So we think that the weekly bearish grabber right now is the key pattern, is the clue to the current situation, and we currently treat the situation from the perspective of this pattern. And as you can see, as we have expected, the trend has shifted bearish on the daily time frame chart, and overall picture right now doesn't show any signs of the rebouncing or maybe some reversal. So we do not see any drastic shifts in the overall behavior right now in the gold market. So on the daily chart, the analysis in fact still stands the same. Theoretically, as market still stands above this top, it has the chance on the shifting situation drastically, but practically, as we said, by existence of the weekly bearish grabber significantly increase increase the bearish chances. Significantly increase the position, makes it stronger the position of the bears. That probably skewed the probability in favor of the bears, that market really has more chance to continue move lower. Well, from that standpoint, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, recall what we have said yesterday, probably we could get some retracement here. And we have discussed this butterfly on the hourly chart. That was the butterfly. Recall that we have discussed it, and probably we said market could show some retracement up. So that's really has happened. Market has completed 127 extension of this butterfly. I will show you that this has been completed. So you can see the market has tested this area and shows the bounce up. But right now you can see that the pressure, bearish pressure, is appearing. Not the pattern, but just the market has returned back down to the downward action. And we think that this is not really very significant retracement, compares at least to this one. Okay, we need to get something on that sort. But we think that in the nearest future, some sort of such sort of the bounce could happen a bit later. So you can see what we have in this area. First of all, that's the former lows around 1175 or 1177. Also, guys, we will get here the completing of this ABCD pattern, and also we will get the 1618 point of the same butterfly right here, butterfly buy. That's also will be the 50% support area. Slightly lower, guys, we have the fib level 1173. So it could happen that there some meaningful bounce up that will let us to take the short position could happen a bit later somewhere from this area, because this is really not bad support cluster, and we could get some retracement here. Also, guys, take a look. Maybe market even will turn to some head and shoulders pattern. For example, if it will show this nice bounce up, maybe the 618 bounce, that really could become the head and shoulders or something of that sort. At least here we could expect some deeper retracement, and that will let us to join with the bearish grabber on the weekly time frame chart with the better position. This will let us to place the tightest stop, because the invalidation point stands right here, and it's really big distance from this level to that one, with the placing stop here. That's why any retracement here, maybe the 618 retracement, will be just very most welcome. So don't be deceived with this small upward action. it has very short. It was very short, and right now market is returning back to the downward direction. That's why probably we should wait for this level and watch what will happen here.